Here are the images showcasing the waterproof testing of our latest Photocell products, demonstrating their exceptional performance under rigorous conditions. Our products have passed multiple international certifications and are equipped with high levels of waterproof and dustproof capabilities, ensuring reliable operation in extreme outdoor environments. The tests reveal that our products not only function normally in high humidity and water pressure conditions, but also maintain long-term durability and stability. Protection rating. Our Photocell products are rated IP65 and above, providing excellent waterproof performance. This means the products are effectively protected against rain and water jets, making them ideal for outdoor lighting systems such as streetlights, garden lights, and building perimeter lights. Product advantages. High protection rating. IP65, IP67 ratings ensure outstanding performance in all weather conditions. Long-lasting design. The products have been rigorously tested to ensure they remain stable and undamaged even when submerged. Versatile applications. Suitable for various outdoor lighting scenarios, including street lighting and landscape lighting. Our Photocell products not only enhance system efficiency and reduce maintenance costs, but also offer a reliable solution for smart city development. By choosing our Photocell products, you ensure consistent and stable lighting control performance, even in the harshest environments. For more information, please visit our website or contact our sales team. We are here to provide you with the most suitable lighting control solutions.